Hey y'all, Dustin here from BackcountryCuisine.net, and today we are going to be making scrambled eggs. And now what I've noticed is that not all dehydrated scrambled egg products are the same. Some of them, well, they just suck. Maybe they're good for putting into your baked goods so you can have that egg kind of thing in your cakes or whatever. But in terms of actual scrambling, not so much. So, on a recommendation from a friend, I got some of this Ovaeasy. Ovaeasy. They're so easy. It's Ovaeasy. Whatever. And so, I thought I would try it, and I tried it at home. I made a little omelet, and it was pretty damn good. So I am going to try now making one that is in the backcountry. So we're going to see, just going to do basic scramble. Nothing fancy, nothing added, basic scramble. Okay, so what I have in here is 4 tablespoons of the Ovaeasy mix with 1 tablespoon of powdered milk, whole fat powdered milk. And so I'm going to use that as my basic mix. You're going to add into that about, what they say, half cup of water. Half a cup of water. I'm not one for measuring, so we'll see how this goes. But I do know from my experimentations at home, it's pretty watery. You don't want it too thick. You want it pretty watery. And the way I was trying to think about it was similar to what you would see with an actual egg in a pan, but even that's maybe a little thicker than you would expect. So, pretty watery. Half a cup for this amount. If I was more of a measure, I'd do that. Alright, that's pretty well mixed up. I've gotten as much as I can out of the... I've broken up all the little pieces in there. You get these little dark orange spots where the powder is just barely mixed with the liquid, with the water. And I've got most of those gone. It's pretty liquidy. Let me show you. It's pretty runny. I'm shocked. You know, it's got some good run to it. I'm going to be trying this on my alcohol stove because that's what I always bring. So if I can't do it on my alcohol stove, well, I'm probably not going to do it. So I got to know if it's feasible for that. I'm going to light this thing up. This is Flat Cat Gear alcohol stove, Bobcat. Love their stuff. A little simmering, because you want to keep the heat low when you're making eggs, that's for sure. And then normally the pot sits inside of this. I'm going to put my pan just right on top of the windscreen like this. Still has ventilation, but you should get some good heat up here. We'll see if it's enough. We'll see. Yeah. Oh, and something new for me: clarified butter. I'm trying clarified butter now out here in the wintertime when it's a little bit colder. Not a big deal to bring butter out, but clarified butter will keep at room temperature without spoiling, and I like that idea. So take myself a nice teaspoon of clarified butter. Okay, well the butter's all melted, but it's going pretty slow, so I'm not sure if I have quite enough heat. All right, we'll see how this goes. It's gonna get hot. Well, I thought I'd mixed it all up, but I see some lumps in there. Oh well. It's gonna happen. I gotta say, it's cooking up a lot like eggs. It's scrambling quite nicely. But I'll tell you, this looks like eggs, man. Seriously. This looks good. I can vary the temperature. This is really hot, but I can vary the temperature by just holding it further above the flame. And, but I'll tell you, it smells like eggs. It smells good. Now, of course, I had some good butter in there too, right? That's gonna help. But let me show you what I got. Check that out. Them's eggs. They look just like scrambled eggs. Let's try the taste. Oh yeah. Okay, no joke. It would be better with salt or some sriracha, something like that, but it tastes just like scrambled eggs. Exactly like scrambled eggs. It is incredible. This is my experience at home, too. I made an omelet. It was incredible. I might need to make an omelet next, but this is so good. So good. Okay, Ovaeasy. Really, really. Ovaeasy egg crystals. I'm impressed. I'll put a link to them in to Amazon right here. Just click and check it out. They are good. I like it. So super easy. Makes great scrambled eggs and omelets. Don't forget the cheese or the sriracha powder. It makes it even better. All right, go check us out at backcountrycuisine.net. And don't forget, if you like the video, click subscribe, and yeah, give me a like. Otherwise, whatever. You can give me a dislike if you want. Leave a comment. Let me know what you want. Do you want more product reviews? Do you have another egg product that you like? Because I don't know about you, but this is now my egg product of choice for backcountry cooking. Take care and eat well. So good. I love eggs. Scrambled eggs in the backcountry. Nothing better. Actually, that's not true. There's a lot of things that are better. Cinnamon rolls for one. Pizza. I like pizza better. But this is really good.